Today we are looking at a very large Westrup seed cleaner. We're going to go in and look at the serial tag now. This is a FP-1500-XS. This unit was recently acquired by us here at Commodity Traders International. It was removed out of a running facility. This unit was removed with care. As you can see, it still has some of the original owner's installation modifications. I put this large column on the inlet hopper here. This is just how we received the unit. It is extremely hot today, so the phone might be skipping a little bit. About 98 degrees, but we wanted to get this unit out on the web. I'm going to do my best to walk around the unit so that you can make an informed decision. This unit can be bought from us in as-is condition. Note that the machine was in running condition when it was removed. It can be bought tuned up, checked over, or it can be bought completely rebuilt. I do not see any excessive wear on the screw heads. Normally, you start to see these screw heads completely disappear. I do not see any excessive wear on that. This unit was built to run the bushels. As you can see, we have all steel plating where the seeds run. I do see a little bit of wear here and there. Note the welds are starting to wear, but the unit looks to be in really good shape overall. I think I just saw the phone skip a little bit. So look in the lower shoe, the upper shoe still has the tailgates installed. I'm also not seeing any breakage around where the tailgates mount. Sometimes if those are over tightened, just from changing the screens, they can start to wear as people rip them out. Unit has variable speed shake, has another VFD, I believe, for the hopper of the unit. Here's a look at the back air column. Note that the unit has rhino hide installed here. So the owner that was previously using this unit was planning to have the machine for a extended service life. So look at the back air column. Here we have the upper fan. You can see pictures of this. This unit also comes with a very large plethora of screens. We have the ball racks and screens here all banded together. There's easily $5,000 to $10,000 worth of screens right here. And if you did not quite have the right size screen material, you could have new screens punched and just simply change them out with screws here. These screens are built to be rebuildable. They are not pinned like some of the older antiquated screens. They use screws. The unit is in really nice condition. As I said, it was removed and it was in a running facility until it was removed. We removed the unit with care, took the top off. We have the spouting. Very nice to find a machine with this many screens. That's a bit of a rarity. Normally they set these machines up to just do one thing. So it's just a very, very nice high capacity grain cleaner. This unit is readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, please reach out to us. A link to our website will be in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching.